Hey, g'day guys, how you going? It's Justin Allen now with my Good Advice channel, here to give you good advice for a better future. Right, today I'm doing my review on the drone dropper. It's fantastic. You can use it to drop parachute man. These little guys, for $2 you can buy them on eBay in assorted colors, and you can use it to drop for drone fishing. So here it is here. It's got the setup here. So basically, all you do is you set it up on your remote control, and you got to put it on charge first. It takes about an hour to charge up, and when it's fully charged, it will come up with a green light, and you should get about 500 clicks of it opening and closing with that, so that's heaps. And once you've set it up, I'll show you now. So guys, in order to activate the dropper, you just go to the settings and you push here, and then you push on the remote, and then you just go to C1 or C2, doesn't matter. And then the trick is you got to go all the way down, slide it all the way down, and then bottom auxiliary lighting, just click on that one. And then once that's done, you just push the button on the back of the remote here, and it will turn the light on the bottom of the drone, which will be used to activate the dropper. So guys, I'll just give you a quick demonstration of it opening and closing. Keep in mind that it's got a bit of a delay. You've got to use a lot of blue tack, so it doesn't get any natural light in there, because I found on a sunny day the natural light, boom, comes in and it just opens and shuts by itself, and you don't want that. And it's pretty simple to change the battery. Just take that lacquer band off, and it's much easier if you just have the blue tack on the bottom, because you only have to have one lacquer band, and it's a lot quicker. You just one lacquer band and just pop that off, and it's done. You can get it off or change the battery. Pretty fantastic. I find that you shouldn't go too heavy. Don't go over 700 grams. You might cause the drone to have an accident. You might strain the motors. You might stuff your drone. It's just not worth it. Don't go too crazy heavy. It's more or less for like light stuff, I believe. Not too crazy. It's really good for drone fishing. So you basically can just hook it up down the bottom and put your bait, and it'll cast it out. And on your drone remote, you can see how far out it's going. So you can say, for example, go out to 300 meters and don't go too high off the ground, and then drop it wherever you like. And then on your map on your screen, you can see where you've been before, so you could cast 3 lines out and not get entangled. And you can even just push return to home, and it'll come back to you where you took off. So it's pretty great. The kit comes with these longer legs. See, you just pop them on, and at the back you just push it on, and then you just go click, and that's pretty straightforward. It gives it a bit more height, makes it a bit higher off the ground for when you take off if you've got something underneath it. It's optional, you don't have to use it, and you can even drop it into a school of fish. If you can use the drone to find where a school of fish is, and boom, I've seen plenty of YouTube videos where they drop it into a school of fish where there's heaps of fish floating at the top, and boom, they just catch something straight away. It's just like that. So it's a great way to fish without having to have all the expense of buying a boat. Alright guys, let's get it up in there.